Today let's discuss about COUNTIP and COUNTIPS formula, like a difference between COUNTIP and COUNTIPS. There are two formulas we have, logical formulas. Like COUNTIP will be used whenever there is some conditionality to be applied to the data. For example, just I would like to count the number of departments or number of salaries. Then either we used to use a count or count a, count for a numerical column, count a for a or a normal column, right? So we select the data, close the bracket, enter to get the number of entries we have. But I would like to count that only that is nothing but a sales. Or if I change here any department name, only that department name how many times it is repeated. Like this, I would like to count means I will not be using a count formula. I'll be using a one general formula, like one conditional formula is called as a count if. Okay, I just use a count if now. So it is asking for a range. Range is nothing but, for example, I'm searching for this department column. I select that column. That is a which column I'm searching, comma criteria. Criteria is nothing but which particular department you are counting for. I select that department here. Close the bracket. Enter. Like sales is repeated three times. For example, if I change to R&D, it says that repeated seven times. If I say here like a product, it says that repeated just once. If I say here any of the thing, it will show according to the department I have been applied. That is nothing but a count if. Even you can use it for like a numerical column also. For example, salary above 26,000, I would like to count how many employees getting a salary about 26,000. So I just use a count if. Range here is nothing but we are looking for a salary, so we have to select a salary column. Then comma, I am looking for a above, so that greater than symbol, then I select a salary. Okay, we need to use a just if I select this one, yeah, 2. If I say here greater than 2, yeah, greater than 26,000 is a 4. Just if I say here less than 26,000, it says that 8. Exactly less than or equal to, if I say, it may be 10, because two of them getting exactly the 26,000. You can use any value like 15,000, none of them. If it is more than 15,000, yes, 14 of them, right? So there is a count if can be used if you have a single column to be filtered and do the counting. In case you have a multiple column like sales department above 15,000, how many are there? Or a sales department project called as a astro, how many are there? Like this you like to combine, then we can use a like a formula called as a count ifs. Okay. Count tips first is asking for the criteria range only, like 1, 2, 3, like that it will be given. So one is nothing but, for example, department I'm searching for. I select that department. Okay. And criteria for that, comma, which department you are searching for. Comma, for example, second one, I would like to add a salary column also for my searching. So I select a salary column, comma, criteria 2 is nothing but which salary you are looking for. So on, like a comma, you can select a like project column and which project you are searching for, like that, and all you can keep on adding in a count tips. For example, sales department above 15,000 is a 3. For example, if I change to the R&D, 7 on there. If I say that is above 20,000, I can check, 7 are there. About 25, if I check, 4 are there. Like that means as you change your information, your like summary also will get changed according to the changes in your data. Okay, input you have been changed. That is the advantage of using a like count if and count ifs. Count if will for a single formula, count ifs for a multiple criteria. Single column is count if, multiple column you like to filter and you like to do the counting and all, then count ifs. While creating a dashboard and all, it will be very important. So you can check the difference between count, count a, count if, and count ifs. Okay, count will be used, I forgot to say, count will be used if you have a number column, then only it will work. Count will not work on a numeric, sorry, alphabetical column. So these are the logical count formulas we have in a Excel. Thank you.